Welcome back, divas. It's your girl TX Beauty Queen 83, and I am here with you today with a very exciting video for me, and I hope for you guys as well. So today I'm going to be demoing the new Pat McGrath Bronze Ambition and the Perma, I keep getting the name messed up, but the Perma Precision liquid eyeliner by Pat McGrath. This came out in perfect timing because I really did need another liquid liner. In this video, I compared this liner to the Stila Stay All Day liquid liner, which is one of my holy grail ones that I love. But yeah, I created this look today with this liner and this palette. If you guys are interested, keep on watching. So today I'm going to be unboxing the palette for the very first time. I hadn't opened it at all. I wanted to share that with you guys and also demo both of these products. So let's jump right into it. I am super excited. Today I'm going to be unboxing my very first Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. And this is the Bronze Ambition. And I also ordered the Pat McGrath Perma Precision liquid eyeliner. And this is what the packaging looks like. You guys know Pat McGrath is like the queen of packaging, but y'all probably want to see the palette, or I'm sure you've seen it already online, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys because this is my first Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette, and you guys know that I really love the Pat McGrath lipsticks. So here she is. This is the Pat McGrath Bronze Ambition. It is 12 grams, 0.42 ounces, and it says, I think this is a 12-month shelf life after opening. And so just like the lipsticks, it has like this little string that holds it together that you have to unwind to open up the palette. But what's different about this one, as for the lipsticks and the large eyeshadow palettes, the cardboard packaging is the palette, like, so you can't take the eyeshadow palette out. It is within the palette. It has tape. So I really haven't even looked at it in person, y'all. Like, I'm so excited. So it is magnetized. It comes with a nice size mirror. And just so you can get a size reference, this is the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes, or maybe, that's perfect, like the Anastasia contour kits. It is the exact size of that. It has a really big mirror. I don't want to blind y'all. And this flap here is probably going to bother me because I have to, you know, man, this mirror is great. But yeah. And this little card cover has the eyeshadow names on there. And just in case you don't know, this is Guilt Trip Bronze Struck Copperized Illicit Throwing Shade and Gold Rush. Y'all, I am so excited to use this today. Like, you have no idea. I've been having my eye on the large Sublime palette, but I thought I'd give this a try first to kind of see the quality of the Pat McGrath eyeshadows. So that's the eyeshadow palette. Super excited. She is the packaging queen. Now let's dive into this eyeliner. Okay, so I got us cut open, and this is the eyeliner. So you don't hear anything like you do with most other eyeliners. So this is my Stila eyeliner here, and it is a little bit longer than my Stila. And the Stila one is 0.016 fluid ounces or 0.5 milliliters. And Pat McGrath is 1.2 milliliters and 0.041 fluid ounces. So you get double the product in here. The only problem is, like, how do you know when you're about to run out? The other thing that I noticed is there's no snap whenever you put the lid. So how do you know that it's secure? So here's the Stila, and you typically when you snap it, you hear this. So yeah, I'm so excited to use this. I'll actually demo the color. And the felt tip is much longer on this, so I'm so excited. We are going to be doing a wing today, honey, because I cannot wait to try this out. And it's super black. Look at that dry down. It's a matte formula. Okay, you guys, this is the first time I'm going to be using my new McGrath palette. I am so beyond excited. So I am just trying to figure out which blending brush to go in with. Like, I've got my 224, I got my 217, I've got my Morphe M441 and my Morphe M532. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M441 and I'm going to be picking up Throwing Shade, honey. This is Throwing Shade. Whoa. Pigmentation. So I just want to kind of show you guys how much pigment I get to pick up. I'm also going to mention that this packaging, the palette being in this packaging, is kind of annoying. Not gonna lie. I am just going to lightly tap, y'all. Just tap. And this is the pigmentation that I come up with. Crazy. So I'm working slowly because I don't know these eyeshadows. Like, I don't know like how hard I can go. Like, and I don't want to mess up. So far in love. The pigmentation is crazy. Okay, so next I'm going to pick up Gold Rush, which I am super excited about. This is Gold Rush right here. And I'm going to apply that all over the lid with my Crown 5S10 brush. That was just like one swipe, y'all. Oh my God. So I do have fallout with this color, Gold Rush. It's beautiful though. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that Morphe M441 with Throwing Shade. We'll blend out the edges. I'm going to take the color Illicit, and it is the deepest shade in the palette right here. And this is going to go in the outer corner of the eye. Oof. It's very powdery. Yeah. I'm gonna pick up my MAC 217 blending brush and blend. Okay, so the last shade on the eye is going to be Guilt Trip, and it's this color right here. I'm going to apply that to my inner corner and on my brow bone. Okay, so last with the eyes, what I'm really excited about, and that is the Perma Precision liquid eyeliner. I have used many liquid liners and none this smooth. The felt tip is unbelievable. I mean, seriously. I don't know why I feel like I need something, like I'm missing something. But yeah, this is going to be the finished look today. I am so excited. This new Pat McGrath Bronze Ambition and the Pat McGrath and the new Pat McGrath Perma Precision liquid liner, I am absolutely living for right now. I love these two. I do recommend them, especially if you like these colors. These colors are so wearable. Now I'm going to be creating a few more looks with this Pat McGrath palette. You guys let me know if you would be interested, because 2 of these shades I didn't use. I used 4 shades on my eye. I'll probably be creating another look tomorrow. I'm so excited about this color. This is Bronze Struck. I'll probably use this color tomorrow. I'm so excited. But anyhow, this is going to be the completed look. You guys let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. Until the next time, I will see you later. Bye.